I'm Mola Lenghi in New York. As the Biden administration continues to plead with Americans to get vaccinated, tonight, Pfizer is preparing to seek full FDA approval, not just emergency authorization, for its adult vaccine, a step health officials hope will encourage more people to get a shot.
I hope they do it quickly because people, when they hear it's still emergency use, they still have a little concern about how far you can go with it.
A federal health official tells CBS News the FDA will also expand emergency authorization as soon as this week for the Pfizer vaccine to be used in anyone 12 and older, as children now make up 22% of all new cases, compared to just 3% a year ago.
We have excellent vaccines to prevent this virus, and we should use them. This virus is still raging in this country.
More than 3 million children have been infected with COVID. Hundreds have died, and thousands more have suffered from a related inflammatory disease. As many as 7 million young people could be protected by the beginning of the next school year if vaccine authorization expands.
In terms of getting kids fully back into schools, I imagine this will only help.
Yes, and you could argue that that we could mandate vaccines for high schools to make sure that we don't cause disease in not only those children, but in the teachers with whom they come in contact.
80% of people who are trying to decide whether to get vaccinated say they prefer to discuss it with their doctor first. New York is the latest of a few states nationwide supplying primary care physicians with vaccines.
So I decided to come over here, get vaccinated because it's the only thing there is right now.
So if not for your doctor, do you think you'd be getting the vaccine?
Nah.
Well, at its peak, Lenox Health in Greenwich Village here was vaccinating about 1,100 people a day. Today, about 600 people got a shot in the arm, which seems to reflect New York City. In recent weeks, the number of residents seeking their first dose of vaccine dropped by 2/3, according to the state health department, Norah.
All right, Mola Lenghi, thank you so much.